Okay, in my new elevator raised bed, I'm getting ready to plant all of my red Creole onions. Okay, got all the holes punched in place here. So all I need to do is start picking out all the nice big ones that I want to plant first. That's a nice size. Look at here. Put it down in the soil. Okay. That's a nice one there too. Get y'all all planted in good. Water you in and put some straw to cover it over you. Keep the moisture of the soil in place there. Yeah, looking good already. Okay. Let's see how many I'm gonna be able to get in here. Okay. Red Creole onions. These from Dixon Dale Farms out of Texas. I wanted to make sure I planted a lot of onion and garlic this season. Okay, let me finish planting all of these onion plants in here. Then I'll water them in and cover them up with the straw. Looking good so far. Look at those onions. Red Creole onions. Growing in Big Mama's garden. Yes. In my nice elevated raised bed. Don't have to bend over too much. Stand up and just right here. Nice. I like the elevated raised bed. Able to work in it real good. Okay, let me get busy finishing up here. I'll come back and show y'all how everything looks. Red Creole onions. Looking good. Yes, you are. Okay, I planted all of my red Creole onions in my elevator raised bed. Looking good. Yes, you are. Now let me water you in. Water you in real good. Then I'm going to cover you with some straw. Wait and watch you grow. Okay. Enjoy that little water. The red Creole onions are all mulched in with the straw. Looking good. Come on and grow us a lot of red Creole onions. Thanks for stopping by. If you hadn't hit that subscribe to like button, do it now so you can receive all my latest videos and updates. See you next time at Big Mama's Garden.